everyone, welcome back to Harper's Chic. I've been really obsessed with these low-cal shirataki noodles these days, so I decided to do a cold PB noodle recipe with a delicious spicy sauce and a refreshing shiitake mushroom broth. This is really delicious in the summertime, but it's also delicious really anytime. So, let's get started. So, what are shirataki noodles? These noodles are made from a vegetable called konjac and are actually dubbed zero-cal noodles. They are low-cal, low-carb, low-sugar, vegan, keto-friendly, and the list goes on. And they are loaded with tons of fiber. We all know what that's good for. These noodles come in a ton of different shapes and sizes, but my favorites are the angel hair and the spaghetti respectively. But I did even see elbow pasta for mac and cheese. Haven't tried that yet, but if anyone else has, let me know. By the way, the noodles that I'm using here are from the Asian market, sitting next to the tofu in the refrigerated section. I've heard of them coming in a dry noodle form, but I haven't come across it yet. They're also sold on Amazon, so definitely try these. Besides all of these benefits, I love eating these noodles because the texture is actually comparable to a chewy noodle texture. Think vermicelli noodles. So I think this is a perfect noodle for a cold noodle dish. For some reason, I love my BIBIM noodles with a little broth. It gives it a great slurp factor and cools down the spiciness with the delicious tangy umami broth. You could compare this recipe to bi빔냉면, or cold buckwheat noodles, which is a very popular dish in Korea. I always find that every Korean household has a different way of making the sauce for this dish, but I like my flavors pretty punchy and my recipes on the easier side, so if this looks good to you, please try and let me know how it tastes. Really hope you give this recipe a try. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Harper's Chic. Stay chic and healthy!